This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Ocean City Tourism.
It's no challenge finding something to eat here in Ocean City, but finding something that's thoughtfully curated and crafted, that's where things get a little different, which is why we are at Real Raw Organics, and I'm here with the owner, Logan Buis. How are you doing here today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. So first, talk to me a little bit about your kombucha journey. How did you even first get into this?
Yeah, so I started making kombucha because I honestly was just buying it for myself at the supermarket, and it was like a little too expensive, and I felt like I could make it at home. So I started making it at home. It was really good through the cervical cancer journey, which I was really young. That was kind of like the first chapter of this. Then it helps with the benefits of it. Like the probiotics replace bad bacteria in your gut with good bacteria. So that being said, it kind of helped through the radiation process, through like the drugs that you have to take and that sort of thing. And so I was like, I can make this on my own.
Yeah.
And I started making it on my own, would bring it to yoga, and different people would be like, can you give it to us as well? So it started with this one container at the house, and then it just kept growing. And all of a sudden we had too many 5-gallon containers at the house, and moved it to a commercial kitchen. And then one of the spaces that used to actually carry it was this place called Local Mojo, which is where Real Raw is now. And we were like, we would love to take over your lease, when they decided they wanted to kind of move out and move to Berlin and get a larger space. And we just kept going from the kombucha from there. And now 14 years later, we're still making it and supplying it to retailers.
Yes, that is incredible. What a journey. What started off as a hobby that's now just grown into something so gorgeous. So also talk to me, and for those who don't know, who are watching, what is kombucha, and what would you say are some common misconceptions that you come across when people first approach you with kombucha?
So kombucha is a fermented tea. It's really high in probiotics, prebiotics, vitamins B and C, and electrolytes. All those are naturally occurring during the fermentation process. So basically, we take sweetened tea, sweetened black tea, and a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. We call it a SCOBY. But that eats the sugar out of the tea, releasing ethanol gas, and it makes it have that fermented, almost slightly vinegar taste that some people like pick up on, almost that fermentation, like beer and yeasty kind of taste as well. Yeah. And then that usually takes about 8 to 10 days. By the time it's done, all the sugar is out of the kombucha completely. Yeah. And then we drain that, we add fruit juice to it. So the one you'll see here is the watermelon. Yeah. We actually juice fresh watermelons that are locally in season, and then we flash pasteurize it, which means just heating that up so it kills any of the bad bacteria in the watermelon. And then we add it to our fresh kombucha, which we never pasteurize because it has all those prebiotics and probiotics in it that you don't want to kill. Yeah. We jar it up, and then that's where we distribute it.
Yes, that's incredible. And just you talking about the process too is fascinating too. Just the fact that it takes 8 to 10 days. It's really like a whole step-by-step process that you have to go through. Yeah, for sure. And then also you mentioned the teas or the kombuchas that you have here. So can you talk to me a little bit about the ones, because I know you started talking about the watermelon too.
So this one was our very first flavor, and it's still our highest selling flavor. It's still my favorite personally. Yeah. The watermelon, like I said, it's made from real fresh watermelon that we get locally. And then when those watermelons start to not be juicy, then we stop carrying that flavor. Like we only do that one in season. So we have these traditional flavors that we always carry, and then we try to have seasonal flavors. So like in winter, we'll have cranberry ginger and other things that are in season, like plums and that sort of thing. And then the key lime has been a really good heavy hitter because that one's a little bit sweeter, but it still has that tartness.
Yeah.
And the artwork on there is actually done from a girl locally.
Yeah, Logan, it was really cool that you offer all these. I do want to go and just smell this. This is interesting. I'm curious what the watermelon is is this real watermelon in here too?
It is real watermelon.
Wow.
Yeah.
It smells incredible. I'm excited to give it a taste.
Kombucha has that funky taste, and you either kind of like love it or hate it. But like, I would say when you try a local kombucha or one that has, you know, higher probiotic content and that sort of thing. Yeah. The people who are like, oh, I've tried it before in store, are usually like, wait, this tastes totally different than what I've tried before. You know?
It does, because I also have tried it in stores before too, and I feel like I understand why people would say like the little vinegary taste that you would get with it, but with this one, it's not as fizzy, I would say, as the one I would get in a store. Like sometimes it tastes like more carbonated, if that makes sense.
So those are carbonated. So the ones that you get in the store, they're putting it through a huge container in their factory and kind of like putting it in jar by jar using CO2.
Yeah.
A lot of people like that carbonation, and that's why we also carry them on tap.
And I also want to talk to you a little bit more too, because you guys have so much more than kombucha that you have here. So obviously you guys see we have these acai bowls, we have the sandwich here. So talk to me a little bit about these menu items too.
So ones that you have in front of you today, this is our sunshine with tempeh. It's very similar to a powerhouse kind of sandwich. And tempeh is a vegetable protein product, just like you would see tofu, but it has a much better texture. It's a lot more of a nutty texture.
Okay.
And it's fermented soybeans is what it is. So some people who actually are allergic to soy, they can eat tempeh because it doesn't have those negative effects of soy from the fermentation process. And what you're eating, you have coconut curry hummus, cucumbers, tomatoes, sprouts, so much high protein from the tempeh, and avocado, of course, and spinach. So,
oh my gosh,
and it's just local sourdough too. Thank you.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so fresh too. Like it just tastes very light but filling at the same time.
This one's one of my favorite sandwiches, and we get really good local sourdough brought in every week too. And it's just, we're lucky to have some like really good connections in the city because Ocean City is such a tight-knit community.
Yeah.
And there's so many things that we bring in from different people that are able to, you know, bringing the watermelons from like the different farms and that sort of thing too. So.
That is really cool that you have that partnership with the different communities and the different farms. So what would you say at this point, just looking at your staff, looking at the different people that you come in here, what are you most proud of at this point with Real Raw Organics?
Oh, that's really hard. What I'm really proud of is that we've been able to bring something to the town that, you know, we have all these like vegan and gluten-free options. We have healthy options. All of our ingredients are like really high quality ingredients. Yeah. And, you know, you can come on vacation or like you can be a local here and have a little bit of everything where like you can go to the boardwalk and get boardwalk fries, you know, or you can come here and get like a real smoothie with like, you know, no purees, like real fruit in it. Yeah. Or a kombucha or whatever. But there's so much in this town that I feel like has so many different options now. And I remember 15, 20 years ago, that wasn't the case, you know? So I think being a part of that is probably what I'm the most proud of. And then my team being a part of it as well. So.
And you guys really are, there's so many things that sets this business apart too. You guys were also the first kombucha brewery here. So can you talk to me a little bit about what that has been like for you?
Oh, it's been so special. So yeah, we are the first kombucha brewery on the Eastern Shore. Yeah. Now a couple different ones have popped up, but even when we were creating that licensing and that sort of thing, working through the FDA, the TTB, and like Maryland Health Department, nobody even knew kind of how to categorize us in the beginning, because it is like a live bacteria, but also it's this health food item as well. So it's been really fun, like the journey with it, honestly. Yeah. But yeah, that being said, like we have now grown so much. Like it started really small and now we have 32 different retailers. Yeah, so you can find it all over the Delmarva, which is really nice. So,
okay, perfect. Yeah. So if people are interested in finding all of these different places that you are located, is there a website they can go on? Where can they check you out?
On our website, realraworganics.com. If you just go under retailers, we've got them all listed. And it is ever changing. Well, here's like, you know, somebody will contact me from Rehoboth and be like, we just opened up and we'd love to carry it, you know? So it's ever changing. We're always evolving. Right now it's 32 retailers right now. So
awesome. And if people are watching too and they want to stop in and try the sandwich, the acai bowls, all the kombucha that you have to offer, and see the store too, because it's really cute in there also. I love all the little merch that you have set up. So where can they find this location and check you out?
So we're at 3406 Coastal Highway. We're on 34th Street in Ocean City, right between Ish Boutique and Barn 34 on the ocean side. And we have, as you can see, like this nice little outdoor patio, and then you can kind of come in, there's a little grocery store area, and you just order from our sweet girls up front.
Yes, perfect. Well, Logan, thank you so much for coming on today. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
And for teaching me all about kombucha too, guys. They have so much knowledge here about kombucha, and there's just so many benefits that it offers too. So you definitely have to stop in, and don't just stop in for the kombucha. Definitely try some of the food too. Try an acai bowl, because the food doesn't just fill you up, but it also leaves you feeling better than when you first arrived here. But it will also leave you feeling better right here on CoastLife if you stick around, because we have more on the way.